Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which Roman playwright adapted Greek new comedy most extensively? A. Seneca, B. Plautus, C. Terence, D. Ennius. The right answer is option C. Terence. Next question. Plautus' comedies are primarily based on which Greek dramatic tradition? A. Old Comedy, B. Middle Comedy, C. New Comedy, D. Satyr drama. The right answer is option C. New Comedy. Next question. Which play of Plautus is considered a major source for Shakespeare's Comedy of Errors? A. Mostellaria, B. Menaechmi, C. Amphitryo, D. Captivi. The right answer is option B. Menaechmi. Next question. Terence's dramatic style is best described as A. Boisterous and farcical, B. Highly moral and restrained, C. Mythological and tragic, D. Choral and lyrical. The right answer is option B. Highly moral and restrained. Next question. Seneca's tragedies were written primarily for what purpose? A. Public stage performance, B. Religious ritual, C. Recitation rather than staging, D. Court entertainment only. The right answer is option C. Recitation rather than staging. Next question. Which Roman dramatist introduced psychological introspection into tragedy? A. Plautus, B. Terence, C. Seneca, D. Pacuvius. The right answer is option C. Seneca. Next question. Which Plautine play features the clever slave Pseudolus? A. Pseudolus, B. Miles Gloriosus, C. Asinaria, D. Rudens. The right answer is option A. Pseudolus. Next question. Terence was closely associated with which Roman intellectual circle? A. Augustan circle, B. Scipionic circle, C. Ciceronian circle, D. Claudian circle. The right answer is option B. Scipionic circle. Next question. Which stock character is most prominent in Plautine comedy? A. Tragic hero, B. Clever slave, C. Chorus leader, D. Philosophical narrator. The right answer is option B. Clever slave. Next question. Which Senecan tragedy reworks a Greek play by Euripides? A. Phaedra, B. Oedipus, C. Medea, D. All of the above. The right answer is option D. All of the above. Next question. The Latin term fabula palliata refers to what type of play? A. Roman historical drama, B. Roman tragedy with Roman themes, C. Roman comedy with Greek setting, D. Roman satire. The right answer is option C. Roman comedy with Greek setting. Next question. Plautus' language is characterized by A. Classical purity, B. Colloquial vitality, C. Epic grandeur, D. Philosophical abstraction. The right answer is option B. Colloquial vitality. Next question. Which Roman tragedian strongly influenced Renaissance revenge tragedy? A. Terence, B. Plautus, C. Seneca, D. Accius. The right answer is option C. Seneca. Next question. In Terence's plays, conflict usually arises from A. Political struggle, B. Supernatural intervention, C. Domestic and social relationships, D. War and conquest. The right answer is option C. Domestic and social relationships. Next question. Which Plautine comedy centers on a boastful soldier? A. Captivi, B. Miles Gloriosus, C. Truculentus, D. Curculio. The right answer is option B. Miles Gloriosus. Next question. Seneca's tragedies are marked by which stylistic feature? A. Minimal monologues, B. Long rhetorical speeches, C. Extensive comic scenes, D. chorusless structure. The right answer is option B. Long rhetorical speeches. Next question. Which Senecan tragedy focuses on maternal vengeance? A. Oedipus, B. Medea, C. Hercules Furens, D. Troades. The right answer is option B. Medea. Next question. The chorus in Senecan drama mainly functions to A. Advance action, B. Provide philosophical reflection, C. Create comic relief, D. Introduce characters. The right answer is option B. Provide philosophical reflection. Next question. Plautus borrowed Greek plots mainly from which playwright? A. Aristophanes, B. Menander, C. Sophocles, D. Aeschylus. The right answer is option B. Menander. Next question. Which Terentian play deals with mistaken identity involving twins? A. Eunuchus, B. Phormio, C. Euton Timaramenos, D. Andrea. The right answer is option C. Euton Timaramenos. Next question. The Roman audience preferred Plautus over Terence mainly because of A. Moral seriousness, B. Musical richness and humor, C. Philosophical depth, D. Political allegory. The right answer is option B. Musical richness and humor. Next question. Seneca belonged to which philosophical school? A. Epicureanism, B. Stoicism, C. Skepticism, D. Platonism. The right answer is option B. Stoicism. Question for you. Which Roman comedy type dealt with Roman settings and characters? A. Fabula Palliata, B. Fabula Togata, C. Fabula Crepidata, D. Fabula Praetexta. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.